everybody, my name is Khalees, aka KT Raina, and welcome back to my channel, all about me. Today we have a little something special. This is gonna be a little bit more relaxing. I have been planning out a few talkative videos, but of course those require script writing, and I just haven't been in that headspace. I've been more in a relaxing headspace, something that I just want to chill and do with you guys, and so I decided to play some more games. But I ordered my game controller finally, but it just arrived till tomorrow. And I was gonna go for a walk today, but it decided to rain, and I was gonna go walk to my appointment, but I had to reschedule because it's like I'm not walking in the thunderstorm. So what's a more appropriate game to play than a game called Rain on Your Parade? Because that's exactly what the rain did, except you're not playing people, right? You're playing the actual rain cloud, and you're actually raining on people's parade. I opened this up to make sure that it works, and I noticed that all you need is the WASD keys or the up and down arrows and the space bar. And I was like, okay, great, I can play this right now. I can figure out why would the rain do this to me? What does it get out of ruining people's day, ruining people's plans? I could step into her shoes, her toes, or right, her toes. Wait, I don't know about that, but I get to step in to her life, her perspective, to see what is it like to rain on people's parade. Okay. I feel like it's very symbolic, very poetic, right? So I did my hair. You guys like it? I did it by myself for the first time. I messed it up a little bit, but you know what? Next time, because there will be a next time, I'm gonna do it a little bit differently now that I know better. Rain on your parade. Press any button to begin, or don't. It's cool. No pressure. I love how kind and considerate they are. Thank you. I'll take my time. Thank you. Okay. So, start settings, credit, quit. Rain on your parade. So, space to rain, arrows, or WASD to move. We got some people around here, so let's see what happened. Okay, so I'm raining. It looks happy when they rain. It looks like a cute little cardboard cutout, cute little animation. I like that. So let's, oh. Okay, you're messing things up. You're messing stuff up. Stop. Okay. What happens when and then this? Oh, I broke it. Well, you're no longer sitting on benches. Fuck your benches. Hi. Oh no, I started the game. Crap. Grandpa, tell me a story. A story? Have I told you about the cloud I met once? That sounds boring. Ha 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 ha. Oh, trust me, clouds are never boring. A cloud can fly anywhere it wants. It can rain on anything. Even when you grow up, you will understand the joy of messing up other people's stuff. All right, so what's this clown zoo? Let me put my glasses on. So is this what we're gonna do? I'm finding the joy in it all. I'm really stepping into your shoes, period. Once upon a time, there was a small cloud with a big dream. Clouds. To find a place of old folk tales where clouds can roam free and rain on anything they want at any time. So it packed its bag, whatever bags a cloud might have, and set on a world-trotting journey to find the mystical, the fabled, the legendary Seattle. Not the wedding. A star means the objective is needed to beat this level. Soak bride and groom, soak all humans. Not humans, humans. Begin. Oh, okay. Tab the show. Tab, okay. I'm sorry, this shouldn't be entertaining. Come here. Wait, come here. I can't run out of water because it looks like that's something that happens as you run out of water. Oh, there's one more. Two more, actually. Come here. Okay. Decor unlocked. Or next level unlocked. Awesome. But I have a question though. Is this like bad karma? Is this gonna come back around when I have a wedding? Because if it does, I'm fighting everybody. Period. Do not play with me, all right? I do not want rain anywhere near my wedding, all right? Okay. This is just games, okay? Okay, Spirit, this is just games. Ooh, so you do get a rating. You get like stars. Okay, so I got 3 out of 3 stars. Look at her. And now we move on. What's this? Oh, okay. So what's this over here? Ooh, can I? What does that do? Oh, it doesn't do anything. Can I rain in the water? Why does it look like it's... I don't know about all that. Okay, question mark, question mark. Let's start. Cloudy, help. I might just be a dumpster, but these humans keep setting me on fire. Well, that's not nice. Can you please put out all the fires and teach them a lesson? In return, I promise to take some cool photos of you in action with the photo mode. Oh, so we gonna take, okay, so it's a photo upper. Check out the prompt on your screen when it appears. Put out all the fires, soak all humans. I was lost for like a hot second. Nope, no fire, please. Please, no fire. Please no fire, please. No, please, no. Okay. I'm trying not to use all my water, but I'm almost running out. Because it takes a lot more to put out these fires. Like one little drop doesn't put out all of them. Oh, does the background get blurred out when you come to the front? Yeah, it does. Okay. So we put out all the fires. Now we need to soak everyone. And I can't run out of water. Okay, and 8 humans. Is it only supposed to be 2 stars? Or I'm confusion. I'm very much confusion. Hold on. Let me rain on your rocks, bitch. Oh ho ho! Who's that? I see a young cloud. Who am I? Why, I'm Papa Cloud. A cloud as old as time. Yes, I was there when the first memes were invented. Oh, those silly badgers. I hope you will listen to my words of wisdom. As you progress through the world, you might unlock some fancy hats. How does the clown wear a hat? You might wonder. Why? Simply by entering the cloud house. It sounds like one of them TikTok houses. I don't know about all that. Come on now, we're not into that, okay? Go on, give it a try. KT Raina official's homely abode. Decor. Hats. Ooh, top hat. Ooh, okay. Top hat. Colors. Ooh, it's gonna rain soon. Cloud. It's like a cloud during a sunset. Why not have green clouds? What's it to you? They said you couldn't camouflage clouds. They were wrong. I only want to see you bathing in purple rain. It's like a cloud during a sunset, but different. Audrey's favorite color. I'm gonna go with this one. This one is really pretty. I love that color. It's like not exactly pink, but also not exactly red. I like it. Oh, I can draw a face. So do eyes. Okay, I can't make a circle to save my life. Let's do this one more time. Well, it's different. It's different. And then we're gonna do lips. And now it's it looks interesting. I wanted to make like cartoonish kissy lips. It looks a little different though. Just a little bit different. Ta-da! Hold on. Nope. Now that's the face we're going with. I think it's cute. It goes with the aesthetic. Like the aesthetic is like, you may be horrible at drawing, but it's cute, so it's okay. So I can go either way. I can go over here, don't know what that is, or I could go to the beach. You know what? I want to see what it's like to rain on people's beach day, because that is the worst type of experience, okay? When it comes to rain, just look at it raining and you trying to enjoy yourself, trying to get in a sand tan. All right, and then it just starts storming. Like, why? Soak all humans, avoid the sun. Avoid the sun, oh crap. So this is a fight, this is a battle right now. We in a battle, it's getting serious. Ready to throw hands, ready to throw hands. Oh. Okay, shh. Why does the sun look so angry, like it's mad at me for what I'm doing? Like it's the evil one. You're not the, no. Who hasn't been soaked yet? Oh, okay. This is intense. It's like really trying to corner me right here. And it's like going off screen too. It's stop trying to corner me. Please. Please. No, please. Oh no, I failed. I failed at life. Retry. I can do this. I almost did it. I just gotta be more aware of where the humans are, okay? No! You evil little... No. That guy's like, yes, this is for me. Soak me. I'm tired of the sun in my face. I'm glad I have supporters. I have fans. I'm tired of all these haters. These haters in my way. Oh, it's over here. Shh. Okay, I'll get y'all later. I'll get y'all later. I'll get y'all later. Okay, no. You have to bring her back around. Bring it back around. No, bring it back around. Bring it back around. Bring it back around. Ah! No! How do I start over? Like, it's pointless right now. Just kill me. Just kill me, please. Just kill me, please. It's always those last few. Ugh. Move! Now I'm gonna do WASD, WASD, because this might be a little bit better. I might move a little bit faster. Nope, never mind, not moving faster. Just kill me. Come get me. You done? Because I'm done. Yeah. Okay, fuck you. I'm back to using the arrow keys because I feel like that was a lot easier now that I realize, now that I have experience. No! Fuck off! Okay. Just... I don't even want to soak all the humans if it means that I'm gonna get caught by the sun. Just kill me. Hot ass. Ooh, that one guy. Just that one guy is just like, yep, this is... I didn't think he was that close to me. I didn't think he was that close to me. I didn't think he was that close to me. I didn't think he was that close to me. I didn't think he was that close to me. And now I'm pissed off. I'm so pissed off. Over here. Come here. Fuck off. I'm gonna keep playing this until I avoid the sun. I'm serious. One freaking more, please. If only I can faster. Yes! Oh, yes. Juicy points. Juicy! Okay, that was a pain in the ass. Pain in all the asses. Asses of pain. Okay? Alright, I'm gonna do one more. I'm just complete this section right here, and then that'll be enough for today. If you guys like this, just let me know in the comments, but I'm gonna do one more and then we're done. Protect the bomb. Help it go boom, 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 boom. Oh, wait, why? Why is the bomb going boom? Am I just raining on people? Is this my job? No. Damn. I suck. I know. Shut up. Maybe this should be my strategy. Just stand here. Frick. I hate all of you. If this level's too hard, don't feel ashamed to skip it for now and try again later when you have more powers. No! I will keep trying. I do not give up. This is my strategy. I'm sticking to it. Well, y'all touched it pretty early. That sounds weird. Seriously? Hello. Okay, I'm back. I had to help out a little bit, but I'm back. And as you can see, my strategy isn't really, you know, working because they keep being able to get to it and defuse it. And I was thinking, like, you know, it doesn't matter because I'll kill them all in time for it to go off. No, so I'm trying to be a little bit more proactive. So let's see how that works. I hate all of you. I hate all of you. You know what? I just might need to wait till I get more powers. So, let's try another thing before I leave. Cloudy, help! Those humans took away all the trees and you need to help us. Why do all the people that ask me for help have a weird country-like accent? I don't know. Oh, who am I? I'm Froggy, of course. Back in the 90s, I was in a very famous video game. Don't act like you don't know. Ribbit. Hopping across the road, avoiding cars like there's no tomorrow. Just frogging around. I remember that game. Wow. How have you been, Perp? I was on my way back to my pile when I stumbled across this desolate park. Please grow us a beautiful garden, I beg you. But spare the children, they don't know any better. Yeah.
Here you go, ma'am.
Bye.
I'll be out here just ordering DoorDash.
I was like, oh, what are you ordering?
See, now you want to talk to me. Now you want to talk to me. Bye.
Anyways, back to what I was doing. But spare the children, they don't know any better. So I have to grow a beautiful garden. Do not soak any humans, soak all plants. Okay, so I gotta make the world a better place. But I feel like that would include soaking humans. But I guess I'm not according to the frog from the frog hopping game. That's nice. Okay, awesome. Well, that's all for the game Rain on Your Parade today, but I would love to continue this and really build up my skills so I can come back to that bomb game and really do a lot better because I am determined. So if you want to see that, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, click that bell notification to know whenever I make a brand new video. All right, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Those are all linked in the description box down below. And if you're feeling generous and you enjoyed this video, there's a donation/tip jar in the description box down below in the form of my Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, and a special website called Coffee where you can buy me a coffee. It's $5 each. Every donation helps build better content for this channel, like me buying controllers so we can continue these games and other resources needed to create my talk videos. Don't forget to share this content if you really liked it and you think someone else might like it. And without further ado, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.